Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to beautiful Chiang Mai. Today I'm taking you to where it all started. So back in October of 2023, we landed here in Chiang Mai and we stayed at a place called Sky Astra Condominiums. Now I'm going to tell you why I think this is such a great place. Sky River, Astra, why it's such a great place to stay when you're landing here. And I'll tell you why, if you're going to stay here long term, why this is probably one of the best choices you can make. Now a lot of people, they come here and they end up in Niman or they end up in the old city. Now this right here is on Chiang Mai Road. It's about 1.7 miles outside of Old City. So probably about 100 baht or less tuk-tuk ride or grab, you can get there as well. But right across from the condominium is a 7-Eleven that pretty much has some things if you need to go across there. There's also a Plaza. KFC is in that Plaza. There's so much to do in that Plaza, and I'll give you some video of it. My wife just got her glasses from there also, and we'll talk to her about that. In this area also, there's a lot of Japanese restaurants, Chinese restaurants, Thai restaurants. There's a German beer garden down here somewhere, an Irish pub. So pretty much everything. But later on I'm going to tell you why this is also such a great spot to just, come here and stay while you're getting ready to figure out long term what you want to do. And we are going to go meet my wife at a restaurant and have some lunch. So last week we were in this area and we found this little place called a Wooden Door Cafe, and they serve breakfast and brunch, and it is really good. We're going to take you inside and show you this beautiful place. So my wife is outside.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Oh, there she is. Oh, she's here. Thank you. So we're sitting out here in the courtyard area, and I'm just going to show you this. It's a little small, quaint little area. And these doors are beautiful. Great doors for taking pictures. This is right next to the highway, but all you hear is the sound of the bubbling, running water. And here's another door. But it's just a nice area to sit out. It's kind of tempered out here today. It's not so bad. This green space over here is really lovely. All right, so I'm going to talk to Dana. And oh yeah, this is like, I want to say a hotel. I don't know if it's part of the Wooden Door. I didn't see anything online, but right behind there is a swimming pool. Yeah. All right, so Dana.
Yes.
You just picked up your glasses, right?
I did.
What do you think of them?
Well, they fit amazing.
Mm-hmm.
They measured they measured the distance of my eyes, where they wanted the lenses to be, and they're wire too. There was no adjustment to be had.
Right.
They work really well. They're the lightest frames I've ever had. I have really, really, really bad eyesight. So my lenses back in the day used to be of the Coke bottle variety. But now, as you can see, these are really, really thin.
I have regular glasses,
and this
pretty much.
is working with my astigmatism as well.
Yeah.
So the thinnest, lightest glasses I've ever had.
So they were
very happy.
They had a special running for, I want to say $24.90 2,490 baht for glasses, but because of your stigmatism, it was 6,750. You go ahead and order.
Okay. I would love to do the omelet, mushrooms and peppers omelet. Sourdough.
Yes, for the omelet mushroom pepper for now we are on stock champignon. We give you the tomato mushroom.
The spicy chicken wrap. Yep. Thank you.
Oh no! I made a mess.
Uh-oh.
I'm so sorry.
But you know,
It's fine. I'm gonna drink it anyway.
yeah, one of the things I was talking to them about was, you know, why this is a good area to land at. First of all, and I'm going to get some video of the Plaza that's right across the street from Sky Astra. But what is it about Sky River Astra, right?
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah. But what is it about that particular place
It was
that you
for
like?
me. It was the pool for me.
Yeah, that infinity pool.
100% the pool. You go up to the very top of the hotel, and the hotel is shaped like a long wave. You know, it's back and forth, and that's how the pool goes. You start on either end. If you go up this end, you'll be on this end. Obviously, this end, and the pool it's just never ending. And then you see, it's about about 18 stories high.
Yeah.
And you just see forever. You see all of Chiang Mai. It's a 360 view of Chiang Mai while you're swimming.
Right. And I know I'm gonna turn around and let you enjoy your coffee.
Thank you.
But one of the things I really appreciate about that, you know, is that when I booked the place before I even came over here, and one of the things that I liked about it is that we're going to be here a week, and when I paid for it, it was, I want to say in US dollars because I don't remember, but it was like $268 or almost $300, and then the cleaning fee. I'll put a picture of the receipt up there, but it was a little over $300 for 7 days. Now, if you live over here now, you can probably say, you know what, Fred, there are cheaper places there you could have gotten. But when I took the time and I read all the reviews, my concern was to get here and book a hotel for a week, and day one, the beds were too hard. I didn't want to run into that situation because Southeast Asia itself has a reputation of some hotels having hard beds that are hard to sleep on. But every review I read about this place was great. Now here's the kicker. Today I went on booking.com to give you an example, and I put the same dates, I want to say October 10th through the 17th in there, and it was $400 through booking.com.
For the week.
No, for the week, yes. And we're talking about, and that was for a 1-bedroom. Now we had a 2-bedroom. We had a 2-bedroom. You know, it kind of gives you, you know, if I wanted to get up early in the morning and go for a walk, I can go in the other room, change clothes. It wouldn't wake her up, but it just gave us that extra space. It was fully furnished, of course. It had a big kitchen, which you're not going to get with hotels because this is a condominium. It had a kitchen. It had, you know, utensils, place, everything you needed if you wanted to cook something at home, or if you wanted to order Grab, which is very convenient, especially in this area. If you wanted to order Grab, have your food come up, you had the dishes in order to eat, you know, transfer the food and eat. So it's very convenient.
Hotels everywhere. I mean, restaurants everywhere.
Yeah, restaurants. Yeah, that's one of the things I talked about on the street, that there's restaurants everywhere. Even, you know, Western restaurants, you know, if you're missing Western foods. But we're gonna eat, and then I'm gonna explain why, another reason, one of the best reasons why, if you're planning on staying here long term, why this is a good space to land. Be right back. All right, so our food just got here, and Dana, tell us what you got.
I've got the omelet, which is made out of 3 eggs and bell peppers and 2 different types of mushrooms, then some sourdough bread and jam and butter, which I probably won't have because this is amazing. Already has butter on it, I see.
And I got the spicy chicken wrap. Let me show you how this looks here. So this is the spicy chicken wrap right here. Yeah. And it is delicious. As the last time we got here, I had breakfast last time, So this is brunch. If you go, and I'll leave the link for this place in the description, but if you look at the reviews here, it's like 4.8 out of 5. And the coffee here is amazing. They use the coffee beans from local farmers throughout the area here. But I've never been disappointed with the food, and it's just a great choice. It's right across the street pretty much from Sky River, Astra. Why can't I think of the name? Sky River, Astra.
River, Astra.
Yeah, Astra has a few different condominiums in the area here.
Sky River being the upstairs pool. It's the Sky River, literally.
Sky River, Astra.
Really beautiful.
But we're gonna eat lunch, and then I'm gonna tell you why I think one of the main reasons to stay in this area, if you're looking to stay in Chiang Mai long term. Be right back. All right, so we talked about how much it costs. You know, it was almost double back in the States, the cost of your glasses here. But what normally comes, say you're back in the States and you ordered your glasses, what normally comes with your glasses there?
Glasses.
Your glasses.
Yeah, your glasses. I was digging through the bag and I noticed it was a little heavier after I took my glasses out, which I thought was just the box. You never get a box like this, but check this out. If you want to take the box with you, this one collapses and you can put it in, you know, like a flat place.
Right.
If you're traveling,
Transport it.
and then you need you put your glasses in that. You would have had to pay for that. I got glasses in the past, and they came with this really flexible, very easily breakable case. And if you wanted anything better, you had to pay for it. In addition to that, it usually comes with a little wipey. This is from the maker of the glasses. It's I guess authenticity, and then a microcloth. And an even better micro cloth from the optical place. So,
And if I didn't mention, it's KT Optic, and I think they're a chain because I've seen them in Big C and some other places. But for a chain, they were still, I think, very reasonable.
and here's the best part. How many times have you ever bought glasses and got them scratched? You had to take them back to your glass place and get them buffed or whatever. This place comes with replacement lenses for each side for when that happens.
So it's almost like a free pair of glasses.
It's like a free pair of glasses.
That's crazy.
It comes with a replacement lens. You get one for each lens, and then after that you have to go back. But you can just pop those in.
Wow, that is crazy.
I can't even.
So it was definitely worth it.
Yeah.
But, and you know, that's the thing we're trying to do here, is just show you little things you can do when you come over here. You know, the eyeglass place. I talked about Sky River, Astra.
You can see it
And
all up there.
yeah,
Makes
but
me
you know,
wonder.
it's just we're gonna wrap up here, and then I'm gonna talk about why this is the best place. All right, so we've wrapped up brunch, so to speak. So Dana's omelet and my chicken wrap, which I am full from, spicy chicken wrap, and we had 2 coffees, and that came to 515 baht, somewhere around $14. So definitely well worth it. So I want you to imagine you're standing here, like I spoke of earlier, at the Sky River, okay? And we talked about the convenience of some of the things around. So we're gonna go into this plaza and show you some things here. So right across the street from there, you have KFC, like I mentioned before. But they have a host of things you can come and just walk around here. There's a bookstore here. And then you wake up in the morning, you just want to come get you some coffee. Extensive coffee menu. Ice as well as hot coffees. Hong Kong waffle. This is K Optic, where she got her glasses from. This is where she had her eye exam here. Right there, they did everything right then that first day. She didn't have to make an appointment or anything. There's so many food places you can eat here. A lot of the pharmacies here, this right here, Watson, this is one of those that a lot of the foreigners use. as far as they have a lot of the American brands or Western brands, and so it's just convenient to be able to read. You see what you want. Clothing stores. Look at that. Unicorn Dental. There's a dental place right here. And this is just the bottom floor. You know, upstairs there is a nail spa salon and Mine Academy school. So, you know, a lot of stuff is right here in front that you can get taken care of. All right, I'm gonna go find Dana, and then I'm gonna tell you why, another reason why I think is the best reason why you should stay in this area. All right, let me share a little story with you. So we first arrived at our condominium. We had 7 days, and so the last thing on our mind was starting the visa process. We wanted to see what was around, and we were there for a week, and that's when we found the place where we're at right now. What we didn't know, what I wish we knew back then, that we were a 3-minute ride or an 11-minute walk to
This whole street.
Thai Visa Assist right there, and that's the visa agent we end up using. So right now we're here to have them take a look at our passports. We were just in the States. My wife was there back in, she came back in May and I came back in June. And so we're just going to check on our 90-day check-in and see what we need to do moving forward. But one of the reasons why I say that's a great place to stay if you're coming here long term is that you'll be right around the corner from Thai Visa Assist, and you can get the process started where you may not have to do like we did and take a border bounce and then come back. So that's all I have for today. Please like and subscribe if you feel inclined. I got me a buy me a coffee link in the description below as well. And thank you for joining me. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.